Hello and welcome to Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram. If you're on YouTube, hit that subscribe button, give us a like. Also, if you want to see all the still pictures of the specific unit or anything else we have in our lot, please visit our website at sherrychrysler.com. That's SHERRYCHRYSLER.com. Guys, today we're showing you a brand new arrival 2017 Ford Fusion. Extremely nice car with very, very low miles on it. Guys, this vehicle has just over 25,000 miles on it and in immaculate condition. Starting on the front, you're going to notice there's no chip marks that I can see, no dents. All in all, in very good condition all the way around this vehicle. It does have the upgraded 19-inch factory rims, and then definitely a nice smoky color to it. Almost consider it blacked out. Definitely looks great. Tinted windows on the front, as you can see there, and same on the side, just like the front of this vehicle. I don't notice any dents at all. Guys, this vehicle is the Sport Edition, which is definitely going to give you some upgraded features. One of the things you're going to get on the back here is you're going to see these little circles running along the back bumper. That's for your rear monitoring system, which is really nice when you're backing into them tight spots. This vehicle also does come with a backup camera located right above the license plate bracket there. And then you're also going to get the dual exhaust on this. Definitely a really good looking exhaust system that's on that. This vehicle does come with an extended warranty from us, the dealer, which is nice. And if it does have any factory warranty left, you would obviously get that as well. Starting on the side, on the driver's door here, we have memory seating for up to 2, obviously power locks. You're going to have power windows and power side mirrors. Power seat here with a power lumbar. Also, you are going to have a leather mesh seating, leather on the sides here, and then a mesh center on all the seats all the way through this vehicle. Upgraded rubber floor mats with the Fusion emblem built into it. Very nice steering wheel concept setup here. On the top left hand side, you have all your controls to operate your instrument cluster located right here on the side of the vehicle, right by your miles per hour gauge. Right under that, you have all your cruise control settings. All your radio settings are located on your bottom right, and you also have another control system for your other instrument cluster built in on the other side of your miles per hour gauge. Everything's touchscreen with this radio, which gives it a very nice concept. As you can see, you can do all your audio from simply touching the screen here. You can also do all your climate controls. This does have dual climate controls, so you can set the vehicle on 2 separate temperatures throughout the cab. You can pair your phone with this vehicle, so you can simply program your phone into this radio, and you can simply answer your phone by simply hitting the voice button on the steering wheel. You no longer have to reach for your phone while driving down the road. Factory navigation in this vehicle, and there's also many apps that are built in here. You also have a second option when it comes to your climate control system, which is going to be located basically on the exterior on the bottom here. Everything from your temperature on your dual zones here on the side into how fast you want your airflow coming out. You can adjust your volume of your radio and your radio station simply in the center of this, right here, right by this knob. Everything's turnkey with this. There's no shifters. You simply turn it to put it in reverse. And when you do put this vehicle in reverse like I just did, like I showed you outside, it does have the factory backup camera right there in the radio. Everything's still touch-free, so you leave the key in your pocket. As you can see, the button to push start and stop is located right here. Very nice feature to have. It also does have remote start, so you can start your vehicle from inside your home. Universal garage door openers up to 3 located right here. And then you also do have a power sunroof in this vehicle as well. Just like the driver's side, the passenger looks to be in very good condition, also with that rubber floor mat down there on the passenger side. Same with the rear. Everything looks to be in awesome condition. I don't notice any rips, tears, or stains in the back. And it does have child safety hooks on the 2 exterior seats, so you can safely and securely tether a car seat into this vehicle. Guys, this is a really nice 2017 Fusion with just over 25,000 miles on it. This vehicle is located at Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram. If you're on YouTube, hit that subscribe button, give us a like. Also, if you want to see all the still pictures of this and a full description or anything else we carry that we do have in stock, please visit our website at sherrychrysler.com. That's SHERRYCHRYSLER.com.